Hey there, future print-on-demand rock stars. Welcome to Beginner Side Hustles, the place where we turn your creative dreams into thriving online businesses. If you're brand new to the world of print-on-demand, this video is just for you. Today, I'm walking you through a step-by-step beginner's guide to creating and selling your own custom products online. Let's make it fun, easy, and most importantly, profitable. First things first, what is print-on-demand? Simply put, print-on-demand, or POD, is a business model where you create custom designs and sell them on products like t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, and phone cases. The best part? You don't hold inventory or worry about shipping. Your print-on-demand partner takes care of that for you. You focus on creating awesome designs, and they handle the rest. Easy, right? Step 1, pick a niche. A niche is just a fancy way of saying a specific topic or audience you want to focus on. For example, if you love dogs, your niche could be dog lovers. Into gaming? How about targeting gamers? The more specific, the better. Think cat moms who love yoga or outdoor enthusiasts who hike with their kids. Finding a niche helps your design stand out and attract the right buyers. Step 2, it's time to create your designs. Don't worry if you're not a professional artist. Tools like Canva make it super simple. Canva has drag and drop templates, and it's free. If you're feeling fancy, you can try Photoshop or hire a freelance designer on Fiverr or Upwork. The key to great designs? Keep it clean, clear, and fun. Think bold text, cute illustrations, or trendy quotes that your audience would love. Pro tip, use high-quality royalty-free images and fonts. Sites like Pexels and Unsplash are lifesavers. Now step 3, choosing your print-on-demand platform. There are tons out there, so here are my top picks for beginners. Printful, great for quality and integrates with most online stores. Printify, amazing for flexibility and competitive pricing. Teespring, simple setup with built-in marketing tools. Redbubble, perfect if you don't want to handle your own website. Pick one that matches your needs, whether you're building your own store or joining a marketplace. Next, let's set up your store. If you want full control, Shopify is a fantastic choice for beginners. It's user-friendly, integrates with print-on-demand platforms, and has amazing support. If you'd rather start smaller, Etsy is perfect. It's a marketplace full of shoppers already looking for unique custom products. Whichever platform you choose, make sure to fill out your store details, add clear product descriptions, and upload your designs. Oh, and don't forget eye-catching mockups. Most POD platforms provide these for free. Let's talk about pricing. Pricing can make or break your profits. Here's how to do it. Check the base price from your pod platform. That's the cost to make the product, then add your profit margin. A good starting margin is 30 to 50%. Be competitive, but don't undersell yourself. Your creativity has value. Marketing time. This is where you spread the word and drive sales. Start by promoting on social media platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok. Share posts with your designs, create fun reels, and use hashtags to reach your audience. You can also run targeted ads on Facebook and Instagram. If you're on a tight budget, try influencer marketing. Send your product to micro-influencers in your niche and ask them to share it. Finally, step 7, testing and scaling. Don't stress if your first design isn't a hit. Test multiple designs and see what works best. Once you find a winner, double down. Create similar designs or offer new products with the same theme. Remember, every big business starts with small steps. Keep learning and improving as you go. And that's it, your ultimate beginner's guide to profitable print-on-demand sales. I hope this step-by-step guide gets you excited to start your journey. Remember, it's all about creativity, consistency, and patience. If you found this helpful, give a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on building your dream business. Drop your questions in the comments. I'm here to help. Until next time, happy designing and happy selling.